Hey, welcome to Trends. Now, I'll be honest with you, I rarely make sales videos, and the reason for that is I absolutely suck at doing it. But I can make this one because this one isn't your typical sales video. It's not all about hype. I'm not going to try and sell you anything. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a backdoor into some of the biggest niches online. Now, take a look at this.
Let me introduce you to Trends. Now, Trends is essentially the backdoor into any niche that you can think of. I'm going to show you exactly how it works so you can make up your own mind in this video. So I'm going to log in, and then I'm simply going to enter a broad term here. So I'm going to put weight loss. And as we all know, weight loss is one of the most competitive markets or niches online. It's competitive because it is insanely profitable. So I'm going to set the filters here. I'm going to set worldwide, all categories, last 30 days, and web search. Now what Trends does is it goes out and it finds the biggest trending phrases based on the broad phrase that you entered initially and based on your filters in the time period that you specified. So we can see that we have a number of results here. Now breakout, for example, means during the period that I entered, this trending phrase has grown in interest by over 5,000%. So a 5,000% increase indicates to me that this particular phrase is very, very popular in this niche right now. And this essentially allows me to backdoor into the weight loss niche through this keyword. And Trends has allowed me to do that in literally seconds. Now that isn't the end of the story, obviously, but I just wanted to show you how quickly you could find trending phrases which you can potentially rank for in just seconds. Now on top of the main phrases or the trending phrases, Trends also delivers long tail phrases. So let's say, for example, that this particular phrase here had a good deal of competition. Well, then you can use these phrases here instead. Plus you can add these phrases to the content that you're going to monetize and use. Now more on that in just a moment. But first, let me take this phrase here and then pop it into Google. So you can see here 271 million results, and then all in title 10,400 results. So these are the results specific to this phrase here. Now in the Google Keyword Planner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the same phrase in here, and you can see that there is no competition for this particular phrase. And that's essentially because this is a breakout phrase. It's a new phrase. It's trending now, but as yet Google haven't categorized it, which essentially means that you have a backdoor into that niche. Now the next step is to find content that you can use, because after all, who wants to write content for niches they know nothing about? So I simply click here, search blogs, and I'm going to set the filter at Facebook likes, and I'll explain why in just a moment. So based on the filters that I entered and the phrase that we chose, this one here, we have a number of results. Now all of these results come through API, which basically means that you can curate them. Now let's say, for example, we search down here, because I put Facebook likes as the main filter up here. So you can see that the Facebook likes are the first row here. Second row is comments. Third row is shares. We have Google, and then we have Pinterest as well. Now, let me show you how quick and easy it is to monetize curated content with Trends. So in the diet niche, let's assume that we wanted to curate this post here. All I would need to do is come over to where you can see the edit description icon. So if I click here, this window opens up like so. Okay, so you can see here that we have a content editor. Now this allows you to add intros and outros in text form. Let's say that we wanted to link the word diet. So if I highlight there, then click here, I can add an affiliate link to anything I want to, and then click save. So I can add as many affiliate links to this existing content as I like. Also, I can put an intro, I can put an outro or a summary, conclusion at the end with my affiliate links in there. Now, something else we've added to Trends is the ability to add related products underneath the post. If we put diet in here, for example, click there, search, you can see a number of diet related products. Now I could simply choose this one here, and maybe this one here. And then I click here, so where it says apply changes, I just click that one there, and you can see that this post is now edited with my details in. So that's my affiliate links. Anything that I've added in the content description editor is added here, as well as the related products. So when I post this one here, so this post here, click add blogs. Now here you can add it to a specific blog. Click here, you can see that I can change categories, easy weight loss, and then add. Now it's posted straight to my blog. I can visit the blog post here by clicking on visit link. I can also share on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest here. So now if I click this link and take you over to the blog that I've posted this curated content to, you can see the curated post on my blog. So this is posted direct to my blog. It contains the curated content. And if I just scroll down, you can see the products I added as related products appear at the bottom of the post. So if I click here, for example, it takes me directly to this product. So obviously when somebody clicks one of those links at the bottom of my post, or any link within the body of the post, it goes to the product through my affiliate link. If that person then purchases the product, I'll receive a commission.
Pretty cool, right? So in 2 minutes, I have a trending phrase that I can use to break into one of the biggest niches online, and I can do this over and over again. On top of the trending phrases, I also have the best content that fits that phrase, viral content I can legally use. So I can curate that content, I can monetize that content, and I can send it all directly to my blog. And I can do all of that inside of 2 minutes without writing a single word.
Remember, you can find trends to find trending subjects in absolutely any niche whatsoever. For example, CBD is a huge niche at the moment. So I'm just going to pop this one in here. I'll click there. Select a time range. So let's select the last 7 days. And we have a number of breakouts in the last 7 days for CBD, and we could just click there. So almost instantly I have a trending phrase and I have content that I can use. So if I click there, I can use this. I can add CBD related products. Let's just change this keyword here. So I could add one of these products. I can add links in there. I can add an intro. I can add a summary at the end, all with my links, and I can post it directly to my blog.
The fact is, with trends, anybody can find the best trending phrases online for pretty much any niche. Now, these trends occur all of the time. You'll be able to find multiple trends every single day in all kinds of niches, which means that you can enter some of the biggest niches online through the back door, as well as the phrases. You'll also be able to curate the content, you'll be able to monetize the content, and you'll be able to send everything directly to your blog or your news site. You don't have to write a single word if you don't want to. Use the content, put the links in there, add related products with your affiliate links embedded. It really is as simple as that. So if you already have a niche blog, or if you're interested in building niche blogs or news sites, you can do it with trends, and it will take you literally 2 minutes each time you do it. So 2 minutes a day to build an authority niche site or a trending news site using trending phrases, using other people's content, and just 2 minutes of your time. You're building an asset every time you do this. Now, if you're in any doubt as to the profitability of a system like this, then I'd like you to scroll down this page just a little bit and take a look at how much these sites are making every single day doing exactly the same thing. Something else I will mention before I close this video is the fact that, unlike a well-known software that will allow you to do something very similar to what we're offering you with trends, there is no recurring fee. So you pay just one very small price and that's it. So there's no recurring costs whatsoever with trends. Take a look at the rest of this page. Check out how much these sites are making every single day, and we're talking tens of thousands. So check it out. Check out the rest of this page and backdoor your way in to any niche you like in literally minutes.